Okay, so what I was doing is working something here. Size. Hey man, man, my computer is melting. Sorry, I'm a bit slow today. Let me turn the light. It helps. Tonight I'm going to go clubbing with my wife. I don't know if that's the right name. Hit the hit the clubs. So okay. So there are a few things I want to do. One is to add another option in screen the grains. So let me see how the skin is right now. So I have the start point grain, shape, speed. I guess I could move this there and put a size sure, just a very tiny button for size. Then I just have to check with the skin designer. Maybe I'm going to do myself. Um, yeah, okay. But for now, I'm going to add this. It's going to be hiding in the screen, but still you can use it. Size. Text, note, pitch, grain. So the grain size is going to be in percentage. Where's the pen on percentage? Can go from 0 pages. Minimum 0 and maximum 100. 1. That way I don't need to create anything special for this. Just have to check if there is no other parameter named size, otherwise it's going to have a conflict. No, there's just one. So when size is 0, it's going to use the note pitch, and the default value is 0. So all the presets that does not have this used is going to use that instead. And the spacer is not going to go to grain shape, but for the grain size. I need to call the parameter, but it's call here. My wife is watching a kind of horror picture. Okay, let's see what you have for me. Oh, let's see anything here. I'm going to check the video later on. I don't want to show another product here, but from what I see quickly, you actually can do a lot of stuff already with the engine as it is. Let's say here, you can load this granular morphing here, and you can actually hear. This sounds very smooth. So the granular uses the grain position to determine. So I'm using a modulation sequencer here. So let me change for the LFO here. And the start and the end is just the minimum and maximum value here. So if you want to center a bit the changes, I just go here like this. So it's actually more complex because you can modulate in numerous type of ways, just not with the LFO, but with the envelope, with the modulation sequencer, with the aftertouch, with a MIDI controller. And what is missing is the size, because the size is determined by the key you play. So this is what I'm changing right now. So you can determine the size not just by the press of the key, but it's some other way. So it works very well. Let me just recapitulate here. I need another here. Mod grain size. I forgot to reset the modulation values. Well, I don't have to, but I do have to reset the grain size. You're going to see. Just give me some time and I'm going to show you that it's easier to use and it's also more complex at the same time. Okay. What? What? Where am I? Oh, noise. Always on facing cold in the worst possible way. And that's the way to do it. There's the reset code. Man, so many times. Play reset. Here we are. Oh, burn, burn. The correct way to do it. Let me think. Let's see where I can reuse update values start. Where does this happen? Oh, here. Okay. So I can reuse. I can do it here. Granular speed, granular size. Grain. Goodness. Goodness. Speed, grain size. Grain size. Grain size. Grains. Size for speed and grains. Well, I'm kind of organized. If you look at the code, it's not so bad, but sometimes I get stuck. Grain speed, grain size. I have to be very careful. One mistake here, and the whole code can explode and produce all sorts of crashes. size, grain size. I think I'm going to use 100% in here. I'm just going to use 0 and 1. So let me fix in here. I'm going to use percentage. Let me just use 1, 2, 3. So we have speed. Now there is a place that we have to change to have the angle delta. X is higher than 0. Just hope it's correct. So there are a few problems here that I have to address. This works correctly. Actually, it's like this. I have to make this exponential and limit this from 0. Okay, I think that's correct. Sometimes I fail at math. Actually, a lot of times. Alright. Okay, so it's going to divide by 2. Same thing here. And then in here, limit also by 5. I think that should work. Then okay, let's see. At least on Wusik 8000 you're going to see this new option right away. I just have to change the skin of Wusik Station to show that one. So let's why there's no sound. Check. Double check. This should be 0. 0, 0, 1. Yeah, I hope so. Should be at least. I'm missing something. I copied the wrong file. The wrong. Well, never mind. It's going to work. Oh. It will be. I think it. Yeah. Okay, it's now I have to modulate and see what the hell is going to happen. So for now, I'm just going to use a fixed value. Make a fixed value is very easy actually. Just do a minimum and maximum of the same value. I'm still not using correctly what I was expecting to use. Not working, you know. Okay, still using what I don't want to use. I'm missing something here, and I don't know what. Ah, I'm missing. Oh, it's two errors here. Here, one here. Yes, I saw it. Well, the same thing. going on now? Ah, what the hell is going on? Message something up. Oh, brother. Blue position. Ooh. Okay. No, it's not that. What's going on? Looks like kinda know what it is. It's because I added something. Range, shape, speed, and size. Range, shape, speed, and size. Yeah. What the hell is going on now? Because I added a new option here and it's messing up. Ugh. It's messing up with legacy presets. I can fix it, it's just that it's boring as hell. It's a legacy file. It's not legacy. so something is messing up. I remember that one time I did a mistake and I'll have to find out. Shape, speed, sign, tuning. Shape, speed, size, and tuning. Well, it should be doing that. Thanks. It sucks, man. There's not a single modulation in here. Panning is correct. Master panning is correct. Not going to do anything. Something else. Look for size. There's no other one. I hate that. Okay, it is the legacy preset messing up with my code, so let's take a look. Oh, here we are. Did make a mistake. Oh boy, that is. Oh, let's fix it. $13. And this is very ugly. The other day I was looking for this piece of code. I do remember at the time, so I'm glad I found it now because it's gonna be pretty problematic. So let's make this a granular file. I'm going to use an LFO, change the position, player, bring position. Need to change these names too because they're not very very good to understand. Okay, what am I doing wrong here? Because I'm doing something wrong. Bring position, implant, sign. Crap. Hmm. This is correct. Oh, there's player grain position. Positive only output. Really. Okay, now I want the second modulation. Sample player size. Okay. Let's make this very small. Still using the pitch, I don't know why. It's I have to figure this one out. Shoot. It's like this, you fix something up and then something else appears. For Pete's sake. And I still have to fix this folder here. Hmm. Okay, let's go back here and try to figure out what is going on with this guy. There's a place where the grain position is used. Okay, so take a look at grain position. Grain. I'm still failing to see. Oh, there's something wrong. Okay, let's do something quick here. Oh boy. Come on, computer. Do your thing. Okay. So what I'm going to do is add something right here. Little sounds. Anything. Anything at all. Grain, shape, speed, and size. I was worried that the divider was going to be on the wrong place, but that's okay. I can. You have the sample start and you have the size. Ah, I see what's going on. The sound is correct. It is using what I was hoping it was using. The problem is not there, it's on the display. So there's a place here where I display the waveform. Where is it now? This place where I think sample start position, and it's using no, not that, not like grain size. What I'm looking at now. No, it's not like that. Okay, if it's higher than 0, it's never going to crash this because it's never going to try to divide by 0. Because this is the worst thing you can do in programming, is divide something by 0. Crashes right away. Crashes bad. Should work now. Oh, compiling the wrong file. Wusik station. Phew. Oh, then I have to fix the divider for Wusik 8000. Fix. The spacer, no. Size has just the spacer on the interface, nothing fancy. Oh, okay, now it's showing correctly. So let's make it. There's no is one. What's going on? Oh, something else happening here. Sort of overflowing with code. But I think I know what it is. Here. Well. I don't know what's going on here. I will have to change things out because it's getting out of scope. So what I'm thinking here, well, it's kind of working. Not so high and not so. It's kind of working. This preset I was doing, it's not making it sound. I don't know why. Let me check. I don't know what's going on. That's correct. With producing sound. I have to investigate on that part. Well, I'm close to something. Yeah. On here. no sound. It's almost as this preset is broken. And well, I kind of know what could be. Let me try something else. Player frame position. Great. Okay, it's kind of working. There's some crazy thing. Okay, let me test with this guy here. This is some crazy shit. Okay. Start on Wusik 8000 again. check. I'm checking here. Green position. Oh yeah, getting there. Up start in green position. Let me search for that so I can rename the other two options. Because on the Wusik 8000, it makes sense when you see it. They are side by side the parameters, but on Wusik Station they are not. So kind of looks strange on the modulation. You love it? I'm glad you do. I just have to fix a few things out. There's some minor things that needs to be fixed. Player. Okay, so frames, shape, speed, and size. Now they show correctly. So now the speed has a modulation and size has a modulation. So it's nice that the code is the same, but still I have to test on both programs to be sure it's working. So here's the place, I guess, that it happens. I was thinking on adding another option. The parameters. Yeah. String. Extended label. This is going to help me out. We're going to put in these in here. Size. Extend the label. Grain size. The size and grain is going to help me a lot. Where do I get label now? Okay, so if extended label, there, ignore case, grain size equals 0, X label. Or maybe I don't have to, I'm just going to use it. And then you already put grain size, grain speed. And I can also use that on other areas to help things out. This is going to take a lot longer to compile now because I changed something very important. as it compiles. I'm going to check. No, it's not here. Mistake I have done. This is very bad. Away. It is the same, so it's not a problem, but let's fix everywhere. Envelope range. Build succeeded. Okay, let's try it out. Ring position. I'm still not using the names I have added. Player, grain speed, and grain size. Here it's using. So, there's another place I get. Not just in here. Actually know where it is. So is this thing now? Dude, why are you doing that? Matrix list is just for Wusik station. Where are they? The looper doesn't have. Look then. Or it doesn't have. Oh, it's outside. It's outside. I'll be outside. Inside of the class. Even if I have to duplicate the voices and then on the thing itself. There we go. And okay. Other place up there. Oscillator. This is really bad. Okay, looking better now. Just some small stuff and let it fix it. Okay, grain size. I'll say grains position. Just be clear. I'm going to fix it. So when the size is 0, which is now a 0, it's going to use the keyboard, the key to determine the size. Now I'm going to use the modulation CC1 player grain size. Put there my neighbors. They scare me to death. What has a thing now? Either they're killing a spider or something. Who cares? Don't yell like that. Okay, there's a problem with when you change the size of the grains. The change should happen when the grain playback ends, I think. Or not. Like the loop modulation, I think. Well, I don't know. Maybe, maybe not. So, okay, I'm quitting for today. I'm going to compile this. Let me compile this and send to you, Costas, so you can at least play around with this. I didn't add the size on the screen yet, just have to add something on the modulation. But I will tomorrow, this weekend, take a look and do some changes on the skin anyway. Let me compile this. And then I'm going to take a look at the envelopes to see if I can quickly add the shapes to the nodes. Okay, man. Then I really want to do the groove sequencer, which is the only thing missing now on the interface. There are other things I want to do, but I don't recall right now what it is. Yeah, the toolbar I have to check because I have to do a lot of changes on the interface. I'm not lazy, it's just that there's a lot of things I have to do. Well, I'm not really going to work on the interface. I'm just going to update the skin so it shows the knob. So it's not a really big deal, but we'll see. I'm starting to have problems with my hand again. It's upsetting me a bit. So can't work as fast as I want. That really sucks. I'm just going to upload to the server as RC2C. Then you can download from there. I just hope I don't start to get too much problems with my hands. It's RCI, I think is the name. Carpal tunnel. The most common name for the problem I have. But I can use a glove if it starts to get really bad, but I hope it doesn't. It's not this is not what is slowing me down, to be honest. It's something else. Some problems with my family, but nothing serious. So okay, just to recap, the sample player, what I did, now the starting point here, it's more accurate, and you also have now an option on the sample player grain size. As soon as you start using this modulation, it's not going to use the keys anymore to determine the size, so that's a good thing. And on the Wusik 8000, you're going to see a knob here soon too, but on the Wusik 8000, yeah, I'm going to think about something I could do. Just that today I'm a bit slow, but I will figure something out. Then we're going to work on the envelopes to see if I can do some quick code. Because well, the drawing is not a problem. I can do curves on the drawing. It's not a big deal. It's what I actually do here on the Wusik 8000. I can draw a curved shape, no problem. I have to remember how I did the math for Wusik station for the linear, exponential, and logarithmic code. Okay, the file is there. It's RC2C. It's there now. I think I'm going to be here tomorrow. I hope so. If I'm not too hangover from party tonight. But I don't drink, so I'll be working for sure. So see you guys again. Till next time. And thanks again for watching. And Kostas, thanks for helping me out. And remind me of things if I forget something you told me about. I hope I didn't break anything today on the code. I hope everything's working correctly. And that's it. I'm just trying to remember if there's something else I was working on today. But from what I remember, it's pretty much that. Just let me take a quick look again if my files are loading correctly. Yeah, they run correct. I fixed the other problem. Okay, see you guys. Thanks again.